Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with NVX. I'm with my boy Hunter here, and we got this 2022 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD truck behind us. The reason why we have it is because we're gonna show you today our all new boost box for the newer body Chevy and GMC trucks. All right, so the box that we're talking about today actually comes preloaded with two of our SMW12s, and it is a custom box that fits under the seat. So it's out of sight, out of mind. It's carpeted to match the interior, and it bolts in perfectly, and it gives you amazing bass performance. So what we're gonna go ahead and do today in this particular video is pull the truck around to our install bay, and Hunter is gonna give us a quick guide on how to mount and install the box in this particular truck. Now this instructions will apply to 2019 and up Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierras, as well as, like I said, the 2020 Silverado 2535 and GMC Sierra 2535 HD trucks.
All right guys, now we got the truck in our install bay here. We're gonna go ahead and start with the brackets and the tools that you'll need. The first tool you'll need is an 18mm socket, a T50, and a 10mm. This will be our first one. This one will be mounted here on the box and then go here on the seatbelt bracket. The second bracket will mount over here and mount to the second seatbelt bracket with the T50. Now with the seatbelt bracket, you can put it above the bolts and the bracket or below, depending if this lock ring here will allow you to put it on top or bottom. Typically this will stay here, so you'll end up putting the bracket underneath like this. All right, we're gonna move our second bracket. Before we go any further, you'll also need to remove and relocate the jack. Now the jack is held in by two 10mm. You just whip those out and remove the jack, like so. We have a relocation spot for that we'll show later in the video. But now we can go ahead and put this box into its place. There are alignment holes here that line up with the jack studs and your tire iron stud here as well. We have a mounting, not a mounting hole, but a alignment hole here, and one here, and one over there by our cameraman. So let's go ahead and get her lined up. So let's go ahead and put this one back on. So we got our box mounted here, which does two things for us: improve our bass output and improve the safety on the road. We don't want this flying around if you were to get into a car accident or anything like that. This ain't going anywhere, okay? Now, we had talked about the jack earlier, so let's check out the location ideas I have for the jack. All right, so we have our jack, the mounting bracket. Now, we're not gonna use the mounting bracket, so you can go ahead and put this somewhere on a shelf in your garage, whatever you wanna do. If you wanna sell the vehicle later down the road, save this part. But what we're gonna do is take this jack, fold our seat down. If you have cubbies in the back here, open up the cubby and just tilt it in like that, put it in right there. Now you have a couple options from here. You can make a bracket, screw it to the back of this, or you know, get some Velcro and some double-sided sticky tape, and then Velcro strap this to the back wall here. But we've done some testing here, and you can literally just close it. It's not gonna open on you. If you slam on the brakes or anything, it's not gonna come flying out. That's about it for the jack. And then for the seats here, they can fold down nice and easy. We got plenty of space, fit our hand underneath here. And as for your tire iron and extensions for your jack, they relatively go right back in the same spot they came from. Now the seat will fold down and pressure fit them right back into place, so they're not going anywhere.
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's cold out here, so we're gonna wrap up. If you'd like to learn more about this particular boost box or the packages that we offer, make sure you check out the links below. Of course, we'd always love for you to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan with NVX, and I'll see you on the next video.